Hey guys, I'm Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales, and this is a 71 C10 pickup truck with a 454, fresh rebuild under the hood, rotisserie restored. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see the bottom side. We're gonna pop the hood, look at the 454. We're gonna fire it up, we're gonna drive it, we're gonna look at the bed, we're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your C10 investment. So come on up and we'll fire this 454 up for you right now. All right, let's check this 71 out. The grille looks great, the surround looks awesome, the chrome on the front bumper looks brand new, the paint is slick as can be. The hood fits great, look at that line, nice and straight. All the trim going down the side looks good, all the emblems look good. Hubcaps look like they're brand spanking new. All the trim going down the side of the bed and the door are beautiful. Got the gas cap here right in the stock location. Look at those door jambs. Look how nice and clean they are. You can see they had the latch out and all the screws out when they did the restoration. Door panel looks great. Look at that dash. All that chrome's looking good. The fake wood grain looks good. That beautiful face on the gauges. The dash pad itself, all the paint on the dash is in great shape. It's got the houndstooth interior in it. Man, this thing is sharp. Check out the white on the cab here, looking great. All the trim around the window here is all brand new. All that stainless looks good. And look at the wood bed in this amazing truck, man. That oak is looking good. These rungs here look like they're stainless steel. Everything looks brand spanking new. Not a nick in this bed. I tell you what, this truck doesn't look like it had to work a day in its life. Look at that tailgate. Not a thing wrong with that tailgate either. All the trim around the tail lights looks good. You look down the side of this baby, she is straight as can be. Slick paint job on this truck. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this truck. So you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and let him know exactly what you want to know about this truck. Now we're bringing in 45 to 50 new vehicles every month, and I'm involved in buying every one of those. So what that means to you is you're getting my help helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for a ride in a muscle truck. Listen to this beauty, man. Big block under the hood. It has got an awesome sounding exhaust system on it. This 454 sounds like a AA fuel dragster, man. She's sounding awesome. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are shipping experts. Don't you worry, we can ship this truck anywhere in the world you live. Just give us a call at 248-974-9513 and Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Listen to it. Man, does it sound good. Now, we also help out with financing. If you need some help with financing, no problem there. Call Tom, he'll hook you up with one of the bankers, and we'll get this thing parked in your driveway right away. Now down here on the dash, you can see the speedo's working. The tack is not working. It does have the factory radio in it. Everything on the dash looks like it's brand spanking new. Steering wheel looks great. The dash pad itself's in good shape. Just an amazing looking truck inside, guys. She looks just as nice inside as she does outside. Brakes feel good, it's stopping nice and straight. And listen to that exhaust. Man, does it sound good. Now, we're right outside the Motor City, not too far from the airport. So if you'd like to fly in, we'd love to have you. We don't get a lot of customers because we ship about 95% of our stuff sight unseen. So come on down, we'd love to meet you. If you want to send an inspector, no problem there either. We'll treat the inspector just like we'd treat you. Man, this thing sounds amazing. Now we're gonna do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this up in the air so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's going on under there. We're gonna show you everything you need to see. Here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 71 Chevrolet pickup truck now, and she is just as pretty underneath. New chrome, bottom side of the bed looks brand spanking new, and it's nicely painted. All the mountings look good, all brand new bolts, and this is the reason this baby sounds so good. 3-inch sewer pipes for freaking exhaust here. It is, man, does it sound good. Now we got 307 gear in here, and it is an open rear end. You can see the brake lines have been replaced, and the guys will take the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like it's a Flowmaster system there. All right, I see some part numbers here, so the exhaust system's definitely new. We definitely have Flowmaster mufflers, and look at the back sides of these bed sides here. Look how nice and clean all that is. The cab corners are nice and clean. The body mounts on the cab look great. The frame is nicely painted front to back. Bottom side of the cab is just as pretty as the bottom side of the bed. All beautiful under here, all solid metal, looking good. We got a turbo 400 trans. It is not the original one for the car. And look at these long tube headers. They look like a bundle of snakes under here, man. It is, and them are some big old snakes. Looks like at least 1 7/8. We got disc brakes up front. Cross member, look at that, not a mark on it. Big old sway bar up here. Front frame horns are nice and straight. You can see the front bumper's brand spanking new. Just an amazing truck. I tell you what, you might just want to get you some mirrors and show off the bottom side of this truck. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got 235/75/15s, and look at those hubcaps. Original equipment right there, looking beautiful. And look at that paintwork right down to the bottom edge, and that pinch weld is beautiful. Let's check the rear. All right, out back, 235/75/15s, and again, beautiful hubcaps, and there's that exhaust, man. That's where the music's coming out. And look at that paintwork right down to the bottom edge, looking great, and those moldings also looking great. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, this is not the original 454, but man, it looks like it belongs in there. That Edelbrock intake's been painted up Chevy orange. It's got a Quadrajet carburetor on it. It's got the correct air cleaner. The truck does have factory air on it. It's got a Delco battery, a cross-flow radiator. It's got power brakes. It's got power steering. Everything under here is nice and neat. All the wiring looks good. All the hoses look great. This is one amazing truck, guys. 1971 model, and she is beautiful. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.